Jet Reports is a fast, flexible reporting and corporate analytics solution built for Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. Field all your data from Dynamics 365 and outside sources into a single, highly adaptive business intelligence solution that quickly provides the answers you're looking for in the format you need through reports and dashboards in Excel and on the web. No programming skills are necessary or required to instantly pull information together using drag-and-drop functionality. Don't wait days, weeks, or months for the information you need to make confident, data-driven decisions. Quickly build dashboards and KPIs that answer questions like who is buying what, when, and where. Gain instant success with our pre-built Dynamics 365 for finance and operations reports that work right out of the box. Then securely share and access reports and dashboards from any device with a browser. Do you know what your true financial standing is? Get everyone in the company working from the same governed data set for optimized financial insight, so the entire organization starts making decisions from the same set of numbers. Do you know your currency risk? Knowing what percentage of your business is in a foreign currency and how much revenue is in fluctuation is vital for forecasting, maximizing revenue, and mitigating risk. Jet Reports is also built to integrate with Microsoft Power BI, so you can build stunning and impactful visualizations in minutes without the need to build or manage data models. Save time, reduce risks, and increase value by getting the fast, accurate data you need anywhere with Jet Reports.